Well, we are getting ready to do all that back-to-school shopping, and that might involve perhaps a larger purchase for some. We have Nick Miles, our auto expert, back in town. Last time you brought a $400,000 Rolls Royce. This is going to be a little bit more attainable for some people, Nick.
I'm not quite sure they all equal $400,000
Right, yeah.
together. Yeah, so back-to-school cars, mostly parents buying them, but
Yeah.
occasionally students buy them. The car I want to show you, a car that's been in the United States for 50 years is the Toyota Corolla.
Wow, celebrating
This
quite
is a
the
new
milestone.
version for this year. You know, this is an amazing car. They get 40 miles a gallon, starts under $20,000. The thing I love about this is so cool is the fact that it has Amazon Alexa in it.
Nice.
So the same as your home. So for instance, from the house, you can, you know, college students can
Yeah.
start the car, they can get it warmed up in the winter, all those type of things. Very economical. Great piece of machinery, 60-40 split at the back, and I always say that's important because you have to head to IKEA at the last minute
Yeah,
to
there
buy
you go.
shelves.
So that could be good maybe for someone heading off to college or junior,
high
senior
school.
in high
Yeah,
school, for
yeah.
say. The rest of the car is more so for all the parents who are going to be trucking around a bunch of kids for the rest of the
Absolutely.
school year.
This is a super important car. This is the brand new Ford Explorer. It's important because it's made in Chicago.
Ah, nice.
This is the hybrid version. Absolutely outstanding piece of machinery. This is, of course, what a lot of police departments use. It's really good. It can do 500 miles on a single tank.
Wow.
Wi-Fi for up to 10 devices. It goes. The cool thing about this is it goes up to 50 feet outside of the vehicle.
Oh, neat.
So you
Okay.
can have. We could be using Wi-Fi right now.
Wow.
This is a great piece of machinery for somebody that wants to do 3 rows, wants to do sort of economy transportation. Starts in the low $30,000. Depending on what you want, you can get a super performance ST version that's around $50,000. So it's, you know, whatever you want.
A lot of
is
options
basically
for what you need
the
for your
coolest thing I
family.
want to
Yeah.
show you in here is the door. Many people don't think about this, but the door pockets,
Yeah.
they use the same size in the front and the back to put juice boxes in. They made them the square shape in the back here, so you
Nice.
put a juice box in. And that's, that, you know, here exactly, because a lot of people don't use cans.
Yeah.
Kids don't have cans, they don't have bottles, they have juice boxes.
That's
So
funny. So perfectly tailored
perfectly
to the
tailored.
juice box.
They
Very
also
nice.
made the inside, the pass-through between the 2 captain's chairs can take 150 pounds.
Oh,
so
nice.
if the kids are jumping up and down in it, they're
The
not
car
gonna
will
make it.
survive. I love the color too. This near and dear to my heart. This is speaking my language here, Nick. A minivan.
Yeah, this is probably one of the best pieces of machinery. 35 years, the minivan has been around from Chrysler and their parent company is FCA. This is the Pacifica. This is a plug-in electric hybrid, 30 miles on a single charge.
Wow.
80 miles equivalent, MPGe.
Wow.
This vehicle is completely off the hook, and you want to take a look on the inside of this because no longer your kids having to be transported in a sort of a lowly minivan. And
Sure.
This has
Hey, what are you trying to say to it?
Flip up entertainment
Oh,
screens.
neat. Yeah, you can see the
They're
screens back there on the
pre-programmed
headrest.
with games. It's got tons of room, a pass-through. This is the S edition. It has black wheels, a really cool black.
Yeah.
All the black around the windows and everything else. So dads can get their masculinity back.
Real men drive minivans.
Yeah,
That's what they say,
absolutely.
right? That's
Absolutely.
the tagline. All right, and then we're
Outstanding.
finishing up with a beautiful looking car down
Yeah,
there.
this car is making huge waves. This is the Hyundai Palisade, and this is their first big 3-row SUV. Look at the front when they made the. By the way, this is the headlights. These
Yeah.
are the daytime running lights. When you look at this vehicle, they actually wanted it to look like a crocodile's eye. So that's what
Okay.
it does. But check out the inside car. You're going to go crazy when you look at this vehicle. Look at this beautiful quilted interior.
Oh my gosh.
It has so much things like air vents in the back, USBs in every single row for
Wow.
everybody. A really cool pass-through. If I open the door here, we might be able to see it with the camera. Just to get into the back, they wanted to make it easy for any 5-year-old. You just basically press the button and it just
There you
slides
go.
through.
You don't have to deal with a
And
tricky
they built
seat.
handles in here so kids can pull themselves
Nice.
in. Nice footsteps. They don't break anything. Automatic folding electric seats in the back. So if you end up coming out of IKEA with big boxes, you can just hit those
good
and
to
they'll
go.
fold down all the way. The coolest thing about this is starts under $32,000.
Okay. I'd get a lot of
It'll
car
go
for
up to
that.
around $45,000, but that's an astounding price.
Yeah,
this
that's
year.
fantastic.
Everybody's buying these. It's a really hot item right now.
Very quickly, why is Labor Day such a key time of the year for the auto dealers? Why can you get such a good deal if you are looking for a new
Two
car?
big reasons, Scott. First of all, they know where they are for the year, so they know what they didn't sell a lot of or they were hoping to. But second of all those 2020 vehicles are coming in. So the 19s have to go, and dealers want to make space for the new cars. They're willing to cut you a deal. So if you're going to go out and buy a car,
There
it's
you
either
go.
now or December.
Make some plans for your Labor Day weekend. And Nick, this This just feels right, you know?
You want me to call your wife?
As someone who's been doing this since I was 16, going off to school, this is where it's meant to be, right here.
I see you on this.
What do you guys think?
I think it's awesome. Those are always cool. It's always neat to see the new things that I'll probably own in about 15 years. I don't tend to buy brand new cars, and so